Hi guys, hope you're well. I hope you're having a good start to the new year. I wanted to do something to start the new year off and give you a series of videos that will help you to use the law of attraction if you're interested in it. So I'm excited to share this with you. And what I wanted to do today is give you the very first step, which is a little bit different because I'm not going to tell you how to use the law of attraction just yet. I'm going to give you the first step that will set you up to actually use it and get results, okay? Because what this will do is actually prove to you that it works. It's a little experiment, so to speak. So do follow this. If you're looking to get started really fast and you don't want to wait for the videos, that's cool. Do check out the link below. It's attractyourdreamstoyou.com. Attractyourdreamstoyou.com. I've put the link in the description. That will give you a 3-step law of attraction guide on how to use it and give you the steps straight away. What I want to do in this video is give you something to do. So you can call it an experiment. This will prove to you that the law of attraction works in the very first step. I like to start with this because it allows you to see whether you're in tune with the law of attraction and getting it to work, okay? So here we go. What I want you to do, and I've got my trusty notepad here, is I want you to pick 3 things that mean something. Now, when I say things, it's easier if it's stuff that means something to you, like a certain movie, a person, a house, where you want to live, the car you want to drive, whatever you want to attract, make sure that it means something to you. Don't just pick things at random particularly. You could do that, but it will work far easier. It will work far more successfully if you pick something that means something to you. Then what you want to do, you don't want to skip this part, you want to write it down. So just scribble down those 3 things, okay? And it would help if you write down why they mean something to you. So don't spend ages on it, just write down those 3 things. Then what you want to do, this is very important, is you just want to wait 72 hours. I don't mean sit there and wait. You want to go about your life in a relaxed, happy manner. Don't get stressed. You know, try and stop. If you're going about really angry and stuff like that, it won't attract anything good to you, okay? So what I want you to do is relax and know that those 3 things that you wrote down are on their way to you, and go about in a peaceful frame of mind. And all you're doing in this experiment is seeing them arise in your life. And what you will find is that they do arise in your life. You will see, if not all of the 3 things, you'll see something and you'll know when you see a sign and you'll think, that's from this experiment. Now, whether that's the law of attraction working or your reticular activation system, who knows? I mean, science would have a reason and spiritually there would be a reason as well. And normally those 2 reasons would be different, but that's what will get you in line. And I want you to do that and then come back and let me know how you get on. And what it will do is set you up to use the law of attraction stuff. If you want to get going straight away, do check out that guide, attractyourdreamstoyou.com, and I'll see you in the next video where we get into it and get through the steps. But do try that, come back and let me know how you get on, and I'll speak to you really soon. Cheers, guys.